If you've ever wished your phone could sing with you, translate your voice in real time, or pull up your flight info mid-call, the new Google Pixel 10 might be the closest thing yet to AI magic that's actually useful. The Made by Google event wasn't just about hardware, it was about how AI is becoming baked into the everyday stuff we already do. And honestly, even a skeptic would have walked away impressed. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment with the AI feature you'd use most. Let's start with my favorite, the Recorder app. Google's adding a feature that automatically generates AI backing music to your recordings. Yep, sing a few bars and the phone creates an instrumental track that matches your rhythm and key. You can pick vibes like dance party, cozy, or rainy day blues. It's not perfect yet, but for anyone who's ever searched karaoke -1 on YouTube, this is the dream. Then there's Voice Translate, Google's boldest feature yet. Imagine calling someone in another language and they hear your voice, your actual tone and pitch, speaking their language. It's powered by the Tensor G5 chip and runs entirely on-device for privacy. The translations aren't flawless, but it's surprisingly natural. And yes, you'll still hear your original voice ducking below the AI dub. It supports 11 languages at launch, including Spanish, German, Japanese, Hindi, and more. Next, Magic Q takes Google's smart suggestions from Gmail and brings them into your calls and texts. Call an airline and your Pixel 10 automatically surfaces your flight details right on screen. No more digging through emails for confirmation numbers. It's small, but it's the kind of automation that quietly saves time. Of course, Google didn't stop at voice. The Pixel 10 Pro camera pushes AI imaging even further with ProRes Zoom, which can cleanly capture details at up to 100x zoom. And yes, Google made sure it avoids hallucinating people or distorting text. There's also a camera coach to suggest better framing, and an upgraded Gemini-powered photo editor that can take natural language commands like, "Turn that red dress blue," or "Remove the people in the background." Finally, Google's even building content authenticity right into photos. The new Content Credentials metadata will show if an image has been edited or generated by AI, a step toward transparency that big players like Adobe, Microsoft, and Meta are also adopting. All in all, the Pixel 10 lineup feels like Google's most thoughtful use of AI yet, not just flashy demos, but tools that actually make your voice, your photos, and your day a little smarter. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see how these AI tools compare to Apple's latest, check out the related video in the corner. And remember, if you'd like to talk about how AI can help your business, there's a link below to book a chat with me.